When you're ready to take on a trustee or non-executive director role, you need to make sure it's worth your time. Here are 8 simple strategies that I use to guarantee the right fit. Step 1. Do your research. If you don't know of any board opportunities available, visit sites like LinkedIn and Indeed to learn and search for opportunities. There are some dedicated websites that list board opportunities and give advice, such as In Touch Networks. Step 2. Take your time. Don't jump in on the first board opportunity that you see. Ask yourself, what industries would benefit most from your skills and expertise? And then consider what type of company appeals to you. Is it a non-profit, public, or private sector? Step 3, align with your own values and aims. Take your time to find one that really aligns with your own values and aims. Not only will it be more enjoyable, but you'll be more likely to get through the selection process, as genuine enthusiasm is hard to fake. Step 4, consider your skills and expertise when you do find the one that you want. Do your research and search existing board members. Knowing who else is on the board will give you a good sense as to whether you are the right fit. The time required should be listed in the vacancy advert, but ask questions about this at interview or reach out to any existing board members to learn more about the role. It is not just about rocking up for the meetings. There will be reading to do and possibly ongoing projects that you might get involved in. Step 6, update your CV. If you're a business owner or you've been with the same company for a long time, you probably haven't got a current CV and it will need some serious updating. We have a fab CV template that will ensure you capture all the info that is useful and present it in the right way. So check the show notes to download your copy. Step 7, sort out your LinkedIn profile. Make sure it's up to date in the same way that you've done with your CV. Pay special attention to where you can highlight specialist skills that are relevant to the roles that you're applying for. It's worth getting some useful recommendations that highlight the skills that you say you have. You can also use your LinkedIn profile to show that you're looking for a trustee or non-exec role. And step 8, interview prep. Again, it might be some time since you've been in an interview situation. The interview that you have for one of these roles is likely to be with more than one interviewer. Extra scary. You can prepare for these by researching the company or charity and thinking about the questions that they are likely to ask. You can practice with a mock interview with a colleague or friend, or get in touch with a company like Moja who offer this service. My top tip for an interview is to prepare a few really good questions to ask them at the end of the interview that showcase your knowledge of them and also your enthusiasm for the role. A classic I like is to ask them what they most enjoy about the company. This question helps build rapport and allows them to talk about themselves, which they will also probably rather enjoy.